Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be going over how to download and install Google Drive to your computer. Before we begin, give this video a like, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if it's helped you at all, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. So Google Drive, if you're not too familiar with it, basically if you have a Gmail address, you can use Google Drive to upload your documents, to upload your storage. Basically, it's cloud storage, so you don't have to use physical media, you don't have to use flash drives, you don't have to use external hard drives. Excuse me. Google Drive is cloud storage that you can save things to. Now, I made a video previously on how to use Google Drive, and I'll link that in the description below. But this video is how to install it to your computer and sync with your files that are on your computer, if it be your pictures, your videos, your documents, how to sync them automatically so you don't always have to upload to Google Drive manually, so to speak. So let's just jump right into it. What I want you to do is go to a web browser. Any web browser will do. I picked Chrome. And just go to Google, like the Google search, and I want you to search for Google Drive Download. Google Drive Download. Click on that. From here, you want to click on the first link, Download Google Drive. Here you're going to have two options. You're going to have personal and business. You more than likely will want to do personal. If you're a business, you can click on this one, but for this video we're going to do personal and then hit download. Here is just an agreement, just the terms and services, just agree and download. Wait for this to install, which it looks like it has. So just click the download down here if you're using Chrome. You're going to get a user account control window that pops up, and just hit yes. It's going to say Google Update Setup, and just hit yes on it. And we'll wait for that to install. Yeah, so with the Google Drive download, like I was saying, you don't have to worry about uploading things manually. It syncs it. It's basically syncing with your computer and taking your documents and syncing them for you, so you don't have to worry about it. So once it's installed, this window is going to pop up and say all your files at your fingertips. Just hit Get Started. From here, sign in with your Gmail account. And then enter your password. Alright, so now this window will pop up and it says choose folders from your computer to continuously, back up to Google Drive. Find them in the Computers tab at drive.google.com. So if you hit Got It, okay, basically it's showing your PC right here. And it has three folders to start. It has desktop, documents, and pictures. So which means if you were to put stuff, if you were to save things into your desktop folder, your documents folder, or your pictures folder, it'll upload these things to Google Drive automatically. You don't have to worry about manually putting them in on Google Drive. So if you click, if you click choose folder right here, you can actually choose whatever folder you also want to include. So Windows Explorer pops up. If you click on videos and I click select folder, it's going to validate, and there it is, videos. So if you save videos to your video folder and you added the folder and you keep uploading videos to that folder, they will automatically sync to Google Drive. So let's do that again. Choose folder. Windows Explorer will pop up. On the left here, it already has desktop and documents. You could also do your downloads folder if you download anything you want saved to Google Drive. So I'll just do select folder. Okay. So these are the folders I want synchronized with my Google Drive. And as you can see, the blue check mark means that they're going to sync properly with no problems. So down here it says photo and video upload size. You can either do high quality, free unlimited storage, great visual quality at a reduced file size, or original quality. You have 15 gigs of storage, so pick either one you want, and it'll let you know if you're running low on storage. I would just go with high quality since it's unlimited. It's just great visual quality at reduced file size. So your files will be, file size will be smaller, but it will be high quality photos. So choose which one you want. I went with high quality. And then just hit next. And then it says sync files from my drive to a folder on this computer. Access the Google Drive folder using Explorer. You can just hit got it. So there is a sync my drive to this computer. Now you could sync Google Drive to your computer. I would probably disable this. I don't know. You can leave it ticked. Basically, it's a folder location, and it shows like where your Google Drive is. Instead of signing in on Google.com, there's actually a location on your computer for it to see what's in your drive. Depending on what you're familiar with, you can leave that ticked and access it through your computer, or you can leave this unticked and access your drive like you normally would on Google.com. And all that. So it's all user preference. I mean, I'll leave it ticked and I'll show you where it is when we're finished here. So I'll leave it ticked and then I'll show you. And you could do sync everything to my drive, which I have nothing in my drive, but we'll just hit start. Installation complete, hit close. Okay, so hit close on that. We'll close out of Chrome. So here we are on our desktop. Anything that you see with a blue arrow around it, see bottom left hand corner, it's syncing to Google Drive. And right here is your Google Drive folder. So if you double click it, it's empty as of now, but it's still backing up and syncing, so it's not going to really show anything. It's syncing everything from my desktop. Excuse me. And then it also put shortcuts to Google Docs, Google Slides, and Google Sheets. So if you click on one like normal, it would actually open up through Chrome. Google Slides that I clicked on, it should open up in Chrome. Computer's a little slow today, bear with me. All right, so there it is, Google Slides. It's just basically like a shortcut, so it'll take you right there. So, Google Drive. Now, if you come down here, there should be a cloud. It says backup and sync from Google. See, it says for me syncing 25 of 519. So it's syncing anything that I had on my desktop, anything that those folders that I showed you earlier that you can back up and sync. That's why it's taking so long. Anything with those blue arrows, it's trying to back up and save. So as you can see, it's pretty much syncing everything. But I just wanted to show you as an example that by doing this, by using specific folders, and if you were syncing your desktop, right, and you had anything on your desktop, it would upload automatically. You wouldn't have to worry about saving it manually, and life would be pretty simple. It would do the job for you. So that was a quick tutorial on how to install and run Google Drive on your computer. If it's helped you in any way, please give it a like, comment down below, and definitely subscribe if you haven't done so already. It supports the channel, and yeah, I appreciate everything and all my subscribers, and that should just about do it. So this is me signing off. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one.